Hi everyone, I'm still not used to this thing, but this is behind the scenes of the murder mystery movie. So, well, I wouldn't call it a movie. We're not sure if we're making it a series or a movie yet, so, yeah. Rose, come here. Yeah, what's up? So you know how you got me to sneeze? Yes. What you asking? Can you get the fairies to sneeze for views? Yep. Hi, Rose. Please, not violent. I better go hide you guys. In the elevator. Alright. You guys are zoomed in, and let's just wait.